Pi network slice distribution is here. What every pioneer must know. Hello pioneers, welcome back to the channel. If you have logged into your Pi app recently, you have probably seen people talking about the slice distribution. Many users are excited while others are confused. So in the next 3 minutes, I'll explain what is slice, why Pi network distributed it, and most importantly, what you should do next. Let's get started. First, it is important to understand that slice is not a Pi coin. It is a testnet token created for the Pi network ecosystem. The purpose of slice is to help developers and the Pi core team test applications and evaluate how the Pi ecosystem works before introducing new features on the open mainnet. That means if you received slice, it does not increase your Pi balance and it cannot replace your Pi coins. Think of it as a testing tool rather than a new cryptocurrency investment. So why did Pi network distribute slice? The goal is to encourage pioneers to interact with ecosystem apps built on Pi. By using these applications, developers can collect feedback, identify bugs, and improve the user experience before wider adoption. This is an important step toward building a stronger Pi ecosystem with useful real-world applications. Now, what should pioneers do? Don't panic. If you don't receive slice immediately, distribution may happen in phases and eligibility can depend on participation in specific ecosystem activities. Second, explore the Pi ecosystem. Try the applications available through the Pi browser, participate in testing where appropriate, and provide honest feedback. Every interaction helps developers improve their products. Third, continue focusing on the basics. Mine Pi daily, complete your KYC if you are eligible, secure your wallet and recovery phrase, stay active in the Pi community. These steps remain far more important than chasing test tokens. Finally, be careful. Remember, there are scams out there. Since slice is generating a lot of attention, scammers may claim they are buying or selling slice or ask for your wallet passphrase. Never share your wallet credentials with anyone and only trust announcements from the official Pi network channels. In summary, the slice distribution is another sign that Pi network is continuing to develop its ecosystem. While it is an exciting milestone, remember that it is a testing initiative, not a replacement for Picoin. The real opportunity is helping building a healthy ecosystem that supports useful applications for millions of pioneers. What do you think about the slice distribution? Have you received your slice yet? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you will never miss the latest Pi network updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.